Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to insert and start your new Simplera sensor. The MiniMed Go app will show you each step on your phone. This video lets you see how it's done, so you know what to expect. Simplera is an all-in-one sensor and comes ready to use. It's made to be comfortable, easy to insert, and lasts up to 7 days. To use your sensor, you need the MiniMed Go app on your smartphone. Let's get started. On your home screen, open the MiniMed Go app. Tap the Devices icon. Select Simplera. Tap Change Sensor. Tap Simplera Sensor. Tap Next. Tap Start Now to begin. Next, you'll put on the sensor. Make sure the sensor is not expired or damaged. Tap Continue. Ages 2 to 17 use back of the upper arm or upper buttocks. Tap Next. Ages 18 and older use back of the upper arm. Tap Continue. First, wash your hands and then clean the insertion site with an alcohol wipe. Let it air dry. Unscrew the cap from the inserter and place it on your cleaned spot. Firmly press the inserter against your skin until you hear a click. Gently pull the inserter away from your skin. Smooth down the edges to secure the sensor. Keep the inserter for the serial number and code for pairing and repairing the sensor if needed. Tap Sensor is inserted to continue. After applying, it's time to pair your sensor. The app will search for your sensor. Once found, this screen will appear. Make sure the serial number on the app matches the one on your inserter. Tap Confirm and Pair. Enter the 6-digit code from your inserter. Tap Pair. The pairing process can take up to 20 seconds to complete. When you see your sensor is now paired, tap Done. Next is the warm-up. You'll see a warm-up message on your app home screen. Sensor warm-up is 2 hours. When the warm-up is done, you'll start getting glucose readings. That's it! Your sensor is ready, and we're here to help you at every step.